We now know a tornado touched down in Gramercy last night. The National Weather Service says it was an EF0 with 75-mile-an-hour winds. Went right through a small neighborhood off Airline Avenue. Rachel Hanley introduces us to a few of the families who are now dealing with that damage.
The wind was still blowing in Gramercy Wednesday as Damian Urson nailed up tarps and picked up pieces of his fence. He was inside his home on Millet Drive Tuesday when he saw a tornado outside his window.
It cut straight through the neighborhood.
In about 2 minutes, it was over.
It didn't stay long. It got in and got out. It didn't have to stay long to do the damage that it did.
Some of the worst of that damage was a few houses down. The Sullivan family's camper was parked in their driveway. It ended up sideways in their yard, about 30 feet away.
They talked about a repair place. There's going to be no repair place. The consensus seems to be that it's total.
Unfortunately, so is their roof.
They said it's about between $33,000 and $35,000. We need total roof replacement because the wind got underneath the eaves and pushed it up.
His mother and an aide were home at the time, but thankfully they weren't hurt, and neither was anyone else.
Tornado just came in, just picked up everything and just shuffled it everywhere and destroyed everything. It imploded the front part of the house, frame and everything, just sucked it in.
Philippe Gilchrist is especially grateful for that. His family left their house about half an hour before the tornado. Then he got a call.
He said, "Hey, Philippe, your front door's blowing in. I think there was the tornado that came through." And I said, you gotta be kidding me.
He says that door weighs at least 600 pounds. His wife normally sits with their toddler right on the other side of it.
She was like, "Oh man, that we probably would have got hurt if we were sitting right there where we usually sit." And I said, "No, baby, you probably would have died."
Now that it's over, there's just cleanup and repair to do. It's something no one in the neighborhood is taking for granted.
It was a lot of material stuff that people can replace. It's just a good thing that nobody's lives were lost because that could have easily happened.
Rachel Hanley, WWL, Louisiana.
Another stronger tornado touchdown in Ascension Parish about a half an hour before that. The parish says 5 homes were damaged along River Road there. Thankfully, good news is no one was hurt there either.